will make a rainbow in the jar. Today we're going to make a rainbow in a jar. In this experiment we need dish soap, olive oil, corn syrup, food coloring, and a jar. You know in the rainbow our colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. I did mix purple with corn syrup, red, and blue. Now and then do the blue well. Now I done made my green well. I have my water and my food coloring. Put my yellow whale in a jar. My jar has purple, blue, green, yellow. Bye guys, if you want more of my videos, hit the big red button right here. I'll see you next time. Bye.